Hi everyone, my name remains Kufe Akbabio. I am your health educator today, and I'm going to educate us about the most dreadful act that is still penetrating some parts of the country, Nigeria, most especially the northern part of Nigeria. Girl child mutilation. Some people know it as girl circumcision. Now, girl child mutilation refers to the partial or entire removal or injury of internal female genital organs for non-medical reasons. According to UNICEF, approximately 200 million girls and women live today have experienced girls child mutilation. Girls child mutilation is a health issue that violates a woman's right. This custom has no advantage to health, rather it creates a disturbing physical and mental health challenges that can last for a longer period. I could remember a friend I had then in college. Though she was from Liberia, she told me she passed through this barbaric practice when she was 12 years old, and the pain was unbearable. Though she's married with kids, she has never for once enjoyed her marital bliss due to the practice that in her place it is very rampant, and because of this she was planning leaving her marriage. Now I want us to join hands together to fight this dreadful act, to fight this thing that has made some people lost their life, some pass through some dreadful or pass through some negative health concern. I want us to put hands together. Let's talk. Those people who can talk, help in talking, let's talk. Those people who can help in innovating or intervening, let's put hands together to make sure that we spread to the world the negative effects of this practice. Thank you for listening, and I know each and every one of us have learned 2 or 3 things. Thank you. Bye.